In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit food entries in Myfitnesspal as of 2025. This is a practical guide for anyone wanting to tailor their nutrition tracking more precisely according to their dietary needs. Whether you're tuning your macros or adjusting a recipe, modifying food entries can make your meal logging more accurate and supportive of your goals. First, we'll need to navigate to the Myfitnesspal website. It's important to access the official site to ensure account security and functionality. Once you're there, if you already have an account, simply log in. For newcomers, setting up an account is straightforward and opens up a host of features. But for this guide, we're assuming you're all set up. Once logged in, look for the Food tab at the top of the page. Clicking this will lead you into your food diary, where all your meals and snacks can be managed. Next, direct your attention to My Foods, usually found under the same Food section. This area is critical as it compiles all custom and logged food items that you've interacted with, allowing further editing. Now browse through the list and select the specific food item you wish to alter. Perhaps something you eat frequently or a recipe you've noticed needs adjustment. After locating your chosen food item, click on it to access its details. This will expose a range of options for you to tweak. To initiate any changes, you'll need to click on the EDIT button. This step is crucial as it transitions you from viewing to modifying mode, allowing detailed alterations to be made. With the editing screen open, carefully identify which details you need to change. You have several options, such as updating the food description. Say the description no longer matches the ingredients or brand. This adjustment can keep your records accurate. You can also alter the serving size, ensuring portion control reflects what you're actually consuming. Adjusting the unit, perhaps switching from cups to grams, can likewise aid precision. Additionally, if you've realized a mistake in the calorie count, or perhaps the nutritional information has changed, you can modify the calorie entry as well. Once you have made these necessary adjustments, double-check everything to ensure each detail is correct. This step can prevent tracking errors that might affect your dietary goals or health insights. Finally, click on Save Changes to confirm your updates. This action saves all your edits, solidifying your new settings in Myfitnesspal. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently edit food entries within Myfitnesspal, helping you maintain a more tailored and precise dietary record. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or to suggest topics you'd like covered in future videos.